Hi guys, the Network Guru is here, and this video I'm going to walk you through the steps to change the name of your Facebook page. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook app. You can also do this on Facebook.com. Click on the menu button in the bottom right corner. Then navigate to your business page. If you are on your personal profile, switch to your business page by clicking on the arrow in the upper right corner and selecting your page. Once you're on your page, click on the menu button again and you will see your page name in the upper left corner. Click on the gear icon to go to Settings. Now click on Page Settings and at the top you will see the name of your page prominently displayed. Click on it. A message will appear saying that if you change the name, you will not be able to change it again for 16 days. Read this carefully. Make the desired changes to the name of your page. Once you made your changes, click Preview Changes. Notice the preview showing the old and new page title. Enter your password for verification and then click Save Changes. Your name change request will be proceed, which may take up to 3 days. After that, the update page name will become visible. That is it. You have successfully changed the name of your Facebook page. If you found this tutorial helpful, click on the subscribe button below. It helps me a lot. See you in the next installment.